There you go, this is something good enough to vlog about. Hey, welcome to Wednesday. It is 6 AM. And now if you're asking yourself, well, Josh, what are you doing up at 6 AM? We just had a fire alarm. Seemed to be a test. Nobody knew. Also, it's 6 AM. And I didn't have to get up for another 2 hours. So I'm going to attempt to get 2 more hours of sleep. And then fucking deal with the rest of the day. I'm so sleepy. Also, this is what it looks like out of this window, because I haven't had a chance to show you in the daytime. Ooh, look. London town. I'm going back to bed. It's the end of another very long day. You have one new clippers this morning. I can't remember what time that was, and one now. I'm giving you this one now. It's probably the last clip of the day, but there was a bit more painting than I anticipated. So the arm holding this camera has got paint down it, and I can't show you because this is my other hand. Yeah, this is Hammerite. This is metal paint, which does not come off in water because I think it's oil based. So I've got some paint in now, and I'm going to give it a go. Wish me luck. Solved. I've had a shower as well. Today was the long one. We had 3 techs back to back. So today was one of the long days. Tomorrow is another long day. But we've only got 1 tech in the morning, an address, and then a show, so it shouldn't be too stop-starty after lunch. It is going well. I am pleased with how it's going. That's London. This morning's fire alarm was not ideal, but at least I know that if there is a fire, I can actually get out of the building and I will hear the fire alarm, because it's there, even though it's got a sock over it. Oh no. I didn't put that there. Someone likes it smoking the devil's lettuce in this room. Yeah, it's a very long week. What time is it? 11:30. Okay, I need to go to bed in about half an hour. That's not too bad. I get a little bit of chill time, and then sleep. I can't think of anything else to say, so I'll see you tomorrow.